Hi everyone, my name is Rodeline and I am your health benefit consultant. Alright, here in MaxiCare. We are now in last prepaid card na ino-offer ni MaxiCare. Ang pangalan po nito is Prima. Alright? So, ang Prima po ay meron tayong dalawang options. So, meron tayong silver and gold. Sa silver po kasi, ang age eligibility nito is 0 years old and above. At ito ay enjoyment for availment of 200 labs. Unlimited po ito. And you may use this laboratory diagnostics or test in dun sa mga primary care clinics natin nearby. Meaning to say po, this is focus ang Prima for the tinatawag nating consultation and laboratory labs. So, hindi po siya focus for an emergency and confinements. Alright? So, this is unlimited outpatient consultations. You may enjoy pa rin po yung access ng 24/7 teleconsult at pasok pa rin po dito yung pre-existing condition. Covered pa rin po kung merong existing na po na health conditions. And meron din pa rin tayong group life, accidental death, and dismemberment up to 50,000 po. So, the only difference of the twos are, eto po, 0 years old and above din po. Unlimited po siya ng 800 lab test sa gold po ito ha. So, yun po yung pinagkaiba nila. And, unlimited outpatient consultation, covered pa rin po ang may pre-existing health condition. At ang kinagandahan nito is may dental coverage to all metro dental clinics. So, this is consumable po na 20,000 annual emergency coverage in all MaxiCare. Consumable po siya. Meron pa rin po tayong ER coverage for 20,000 lang po sa buong plan ng annual. Ayan. So, you may apply it or you may use it for affiliate hospital nationwide natin. Annual dental benefit, again, meron pa rin po. Access to 24/7 teleconsult and meron din po siyang group life insurance for 50,000. So, let's look deeper pa po the benefits. Unlimited patient consultations are the benefits on detail. Ayan. Following specialists: optal, pedia, cardio, endocrinologist, general surgeon, internal, general, ENT, OB-GYN, and medical dermatologist. And this is having a MaxiCare PCC's access and 24/7 teleconsultation. Members may avail po upon registration po. Alright? And no need for LOA needed. Yung tatag nating LOA po kasi, ito yung tinatawag na confirmation or authorization ng ating pasyente para po siya ma-approve kung saan man siya gustong magpa-service like consultation, laboratories, hindi na po siya kailangan as long as may card lang pong maipapakita sa MaxiCare natin. Ayan. So, unlimited lab test diagnostics. I will show you the link of this on the description ulit po sa comment or description para makita nyo yung difference ng gold and silver. Alright. So, as prescribed by our MaxiCare PCCs, tsaka nyo po ma-avail yun, yung mga lab tests. Alright. So, yung annual emergency coverage, pasok lang po siya kay gold. Tatandaan, kay gold lang po ang 20,000 for the annual emergency coverage. So, again, after 15 days of activation, tsaka po magagamit ang benefit ng ER. Okay, na 20,000 for the gold only. Now, ito po yung dental benefits naman kapag dating sa gold. Kung gold po ang kukunin na card for Prima MaxiCare, no? Free dental services for the following: mild oral prophylaxis or prophylaxis, panoramic x-ray, dental, emergency relief of dental through medications, cosmetic or oral rehab, dental nutrition and counseling, dental health education, preparation of dental certificates, safe keeping of dental records as required by law or client. All Metro Dental branches are available or act to access. Now, availment of each service once within a year and member may avail immediate upon registration po. So these are the most part of availment natin in terms of RIMA. Okay? Or ER card natin or e-card together with a validity. I-activate po yun for you to use yung laboratories and consultations. Papakita lang po yung card ninyo and then yung valid photo or valid IDs ninyo. Alright? So these are yung tinatawag nating benefit in infographics. So unlimited consultation sa gold po, lab test, annual ER, annual dental benefit. Sa Prima Silver naman po, only consultation, only laboratories, 200 po ito ha. And yung ER coverage, wala po. Annual benefit for dental, wala po. Alright? And both are for the gold, 15 days after the activation, magagamit na po. Alright? So if you need a recommendation members or concierge, you may contact this detail. Primary care clinics, meron tayo sa Double Dragon, Alabang, Double City Center, Bridgetown, Eaton Centris, Fairview, Ayala, VV Sullivan, Clark, Laguna, Baguio, Iloilo, Cebu, Skyrise, Bacolod, Davao, Cagayan, Imus yung pinakabago natin. And list of new additional procedures in some MaxiCare PCs is available. So kapag kailangan ng 2D Echo, meron po tayo sa BGC, Bridgetown, Cebu, Clark, Centers, Alabang, Iloilo, Double Dragon. Kapag kailangan naman po ng treadmill stress test, we can avail that for the Bridgetown, Ayala, North Exchange, Cebu branches. Ayan. Alright. So, these are the dental basic benefits natin na mga locations. Alright. You may screenshot it dito po. Ayan, free dental care service with Metro Dental for the following services once within a 1 year. Again, this is the focus for the tinatawag nating Prima Gold. And this is the contact numbers for our 24/7 teleconsult services. At andito na po yung mga locations areas. Alright? So, the good thing of teleconsult kasi po is convenience. No need for you to leave the comfort area. Kung nasa bahay ka, nasa office, or nagbabakasyon ka, you may have a teleconsult. Makapagpakonsulta ka kaagad. And then, saving zero charges kasi wala ka namang benefit limit eh. Alright? Reliability, ang MaxiCare affiliated physicians natin ay magagaling po talaga. And the savings of the time of efficiency nila is ma-accommodate kayo kaagad. Magkano pa lang ang pagpakonsulta? Nasa 1,500 to 1,000 din. MaxiCare Customer Care Hotline. These are the hotlines that you may use if you are now a MaxiCare member. Alright? So, if you have a questions and you want to avail a card, don't forget to call me in my, eto po, yung ating susunod na screen. And then, if you want to ask something, go to our page. Ito po yung page namin. Again, this is Rodeline Javier Texon, your MaxiCare Health Benefit Consultant.